Hello everyone, it's me, Michael, and today the new LEGO Typewriter has been revealed. It has just over 2,000 pieces. I'm not sure the exact piece number. And this should be $200. And looking at this thing, it's really nice looking. And I can tell that the designer and the person who originally made this on LEGO Ideas put a lot of effort into this, but who uses a typewriter anymore? Like, you actually can get it to work, but I don't know if it actually writes or not. Like, does someone need this? Like, does someone need to go out and spend $200 to put a LEGO typewriter on their shelf? Like, it feels even more useless than other display sets, which are basically just there to look at. Like, I'm hoping the keys are also printed as well, because that will be a lot of stickers. If they are not printed. But I'm looking at this and it looks really nice, but I'm kind of worried about the direction of 18 plus sets. They all appear to be going in the 18 plus black box art direction with extremely expensive prices. Like that blacksmith shop that came out, that's $130. That's very expensive. I mean, not very expensive for how expensive LEGO can get, but that's a lot of money. And this is also a lot of money for essentially something that you're probably never going to use. And maybe you can't use it. It looks fine, but it's just not going to be interesting to most people. I can tell you right now, it has nothing that I feel will appeal to anyone. It does look nice, again, but this is just not my cup of tea. Anyway, tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.